Hi guys, and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel, and in today's video I will show you how to translate your chats, change your writing style and check for spelling and grammar mistakes when you send a message using the AI on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now the first thing you need to do is go to Messages, write your message and then click on this button right here. You have three options to choose from: chat translation, writing style and spelling and grammar. Let's go to writing style, and here you have the original style, a more professional style like "Hello, I would like to inquire about your availability next Sunday," and so on. Casual, social, and you even have tags and emojis. More polite and emojiful. For this example, I will go to professional and I will click insert. Then you click on send. Now for the next example, click again on this button and go to spelling and grammar. It will check your text for spelling and grammar mistakes, and if this version is more appealing to you, you will click on insert and then click on send. Now the final example, you will click again on this button and go to chat translation. Here you have the button to choose from all the languages that you downloaded. Let's say I go with French, and then when you click send, the text will be translated. Thank you guys for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial.